If you've ever wanted a Ford that stands out from the rest, then you need to know about Ford Custom Garage. It's Ford's customization program that lets you pick from factory-backed packages and accessories. Unlike aftermarket modifications, these packages are engineered by Ford using genuine Ford accessories and Ford performance parts. That means everything is designed to fit your vehicle the way it was intended. So what can you actually customize? Current packages are available for the Bronco and F-150, with even more vehicles coming soon. Depending on the package, you can add things like leveling kits, custom wheels, unique grille accents, fender flares, exterior graphics, badges, lighting, and other appearance and performance upgrades that completely change the look of your vehicle. One thing I really like about this program is the peace of mind. Your parts are installed at the factory or by a certified Ford dealer. Plus, every Ford Custom Garage package comes with a supplemental 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, giving you confidence that your upgrades are backed by Ford. Even better, you can have your package installed before you take delivery. That way, your new Ford is customized the day you pick it up. Whether you want a Bronco that's ready for the trails or an F-150 with a bold new look, Ford Custom Garage makes it easy to build a vehicle that reflects your style. If you'd like to learn more about Ford Custom Garage or see what packages are available, please stop by any Mark Williams Auto Group Ford location, and we'll see you soon.